look at the situation around me in the whole world for gynecologists from each and every corner, from the angles of the world, they want to develop, they want to learn, they want to reach a level of performance to allow them to provide an excellent service to their patients. So what they do for that? Try to think with me. What they do? They study hard in the books, and this is available for everybody. To know about the literature and updates, no doubt that in the modern time, and with the modern technology, everybody knows that the youngest junior doctor in the world can, by a click of button on Google, can get the access to all recent literature and publication. So knowledge became not difficult to reach, but they want to improve their performance. What to do for that? They are desperate. They are looking for the Olympus and the gods to teach them. Who are the Olympus? It's the platform for the experts, the faculties. So what people do all over the world, they hear about there is a conference somewhere, there is a workshop there. So they go to a workshop, 3 days, 4 days workshop in an esteemed facilities with modern technology, lectures, hands-on, simulators, and then they go home. Do they really be able to perform a polypectomy or a myoma resection? Definitely they enjoy the company of good people and take a certificate with a signature of an esteemed faculty that they completed a training course. And they pay thousands of euros for that. What else? What else solution? Okay, we hear there is a big congress somewhere. So not all of them is able to pay for travel in an expensive location and to pay high registration fees to attend 2 days, listen to faculties in elegant dark suits standing in front of the microphone under the focus of light, just giving a lecture with some videos, and then you upload them and you take the selfie picture and you go back home. Can you perform what you have seen in this? Definitely no. No doubt that scientific events, and I do a lot of congress myself, but I know quite well that it's basically for the social interaction, but it will never bring the level of performance as everybody dreams. I started by Histopedia. I started by a platform to bring most of the faculties that I trust their abilities, I trust their genuine, sincere desire to give what they learn, to give from their hands, from the juice of their life. And then the Histopedia will rise up to face. We meet, we talk, and then we will have another level of gathering, which will be not in a sense of a social, but you will see and live and talk to the legends that you want to copy them. And by the way, legends are not legends because of the science in their mind and knowledge or the skills in their hands. It's because of the attitude, how they think, how they speak, how to take a decision, how they face frustrations, how they stand in front of terrible things in life. And that you will never have by 20 minutes lectures. You will stay with them. That's what I'm planning for you. My dear friends, genuinely from my heart, I find truly my happiness in seeing somebody say, Osama, because of you, I could fulfill my dream. So please help me to bring dreams of everybody to come true. By all means and power in my every cell in my body, I will work for that. I don't claim I'm the Mahatma Gandhi or Nelson Mandela, but I'm in determination, intense determination to fulfill my dream. This is Osama Shawki from Cairo, Egypt.